simple question. Do you support the privatization of our healthcare system?
Well, thank you very much for that question. I do support the privatization to a certain extent of our healthcare system. I think that choice is always good for people. And I myself have had a surgery in the private healthcare system. And I would like to think that by me going to the private system meant that it opened up another space for somebody in the public healthcare system. So yes, I do personally support having some choice. I certainly think that we do need to focus on our public healthcare system. We've increased spending in our public healthcare system by $4.2 billion over the next 3 years, and healthcare is our largest budget item at 42% of our entire provincial budget. And so I do support some choice for those who are able to afford it.
Okay,
thank you.
So, gentlemen, each of you, can you answer the question, please?
Well, that right there, if there's no other reason to not vote Liberal, that's it right there, because that is frightening. We have Brian Day right now in a court case, and it could change everything in this province and in Canada. And we do not. My Canadian values are that we take care of all of us when it comes to health care, and we don't have to prioritize people just because they have more money. We need to fix this health care system. That's what we need to do.
Don, over to you. Answer the question.
The BC Greens do not support the privatization of the healthcare system. That money that you paid to jump the queue could have been utilized better in the public healthcare system to take care of you and buy equipment and finance their wages. Instead, you took them out of the queue and you took healthcare practitioners out of the public system. So I do not support that.
No, I didn't. No, actually, I didn't. And I opened up a spot for somebody else to get a surgery free of charge. And this happens where we want to have an option or a choice to do this if we can. And so choice is always important to people.